Yo, Black are there.
You're not there, you know. You want me to deal it for you?
Nah, man. We wait till him forward.
Good morning, Mr. Big and Tall.
Oh, I got sexy lady.
So what you doing today? Wash and vacuum?
Black I know more, man. I wait upon it.
Oh, Black I have an emergency, so you not come back for now.
Jano.
If you want, the new guy can deal with it for you.
But I really make anybody else wash my car, you know.
So what you say? From once Black another year, nobody can wash a car?
No, you know. Because sometimes them youth and deal with the car good enough.
Okay, I understand.
My girl. You new?
Yeah, I start work this morning.
So wait. Carla there neither.
No, today's our day off.
Think of Wednesday.
Them change up the schedule. So, me, I go there 2 days a week.
Alright, cool. So what's your name?
My name Crystal.
You shine like a crystal but true still. The Black I say me circle him tomorrow if he start with a vehicle, you see me?
So, you really are gonna leave and not wash your car?
Well, I don't show you a thing already, so nobody else wash my car.
So what if me wash it for you? That would that work?
My girl, you can wash car?
Yes.
And I just throw water upon car and call say wash this, you know.
This are the second car wash me work. Me have to learn how to wash and vacuum the car them for a chat the man them. So, you want me wash it?
So you move for real?
We get $250 after every car we bring in. That's why I don't want you leave. Cause I need to look at $250 every mickle, make a muckle.
Alright. What did I say? Yeah man bro, when I tell you what I'm going already bro? Yeah man. Alright. Yeah man, what we done with circle? Yeah man, no problem. I'm me alone I step man, me alone.
Mr. Big and Tall? This, I'm a business number. Sometime I wash and vacuum from my yard, so you can stop by if you want.
So you go on, you broke Black a foot.
A business, so everybody have to live.
Alright. I'll pass you more while. I'm like how you work.
I'm glad I like it.
Can I ask you something?
Sure, anything.
You have money in your life?
Not at the moment. Me too busy for man.
You can't do business for man, my girl.
Hello, man across season.
Why you say that?
Cause I one thing them want, and as them get it, them gone.
So, what you say? Me a crosses?
Me no know you.
Exactly. So you can't make them statement there.
You have a pint still.
You have to get to know people first, my girl.
Me not have time for that. A 3 pitney me have, and them take up all my time.
3 pitney?
Yes. Tiana, Brianna, Rihanna. 1 a 4, 1 a 6, and 1 a 8.